Hey everyone, Joanna here. Welcome to my Pilates burn series. Today I have a brand new 10-minute inner thigh workout just for you. Go ahead and let's get started. Okay, lay on your back. The first move is crisscross. Here we go. We crisscross for the inner thighs. Wide open, cross, cross. Wide open, cross, cross. Wide open, cross, cross. Just make sure you're pressing your lower back to the mat. You're breathing. Wide open, cross, cross. Wide open, cross, cross. Point your toes. Try to keep your legs as straight as possible. We have 10 seconds left here. Same intervals, 50, 10. And rest. Okay, relax for a moment. Okay, wide inner thigh sweeps. This time, flex your feet and wide open, cross. Wide open, cross. Just one cross this time. And alternate your legs. Flexed feet, straight legs, lower back is to the mat. Breathe. Fifteen seconds left. And rest. Oh, well done. Great. Shake your legs. Elevated mini plies. Heels together, toes out. Mini plie. Press up. Mini plie. Press up. Keep same position of your feet. It's a mini plie. Try to keep your feet parallel to the ceiling. Last 5 seconds here. And rest. Okay, inner thigh press coming up. So legs in reverse tabletop position. Palms between your knees, and now squeeze your legs. Squeeze your knees. Keep pressing, keep squeezing. We are not resting here, we're squeezing. Squeezing the legs together, squeezing knees, inner thighs together. Keep going. Keep breathing. Almost there, 20 more seconds. Don't lose. Squeeze and hold. Last few seconds. And release. Okay, quickly inner thigh tucks on your knees. Squeeze your legs together, and now lean back, lift up, lean back, up. The most important thing is to keep squeezing your legs together during the whole exercise. Squeeze. Okay, don't just sit down. No, lean back, the whole body in a line. Keep squeezing. Oh my God. 10 more seconds here. And rest. Okay, well done. Okay, inner thigh raises. Lay on your side, lighten the bottom leg, heel leads, and now raise, kick forward. Raise, kick forward. Last few seconds and rest. Okay, we're gonna stay on the same side. Okay, we have one more. We're gonna alternate pointing and flexing, leg raises. Here we go. Pointing and flexing, pointing and flexing, pointing and flexing. Okay, this is the hardest, I swear. Pointing, flexing, pointing, flexing, pointing, flexing. "15 seconds left. Great. And now switch sides. We're gonna repeat these two on the other side. Okay, get ready. Here we go. Raise, kick front. Raise, kick forward. Almost there. And rest. Okay, enjoy the 10 seconds recovery. And now ready for leg raises, alternating pointing and flexing. Here we go. Pointing and flexing, pointing and flexing. You're almost there, don't quit. Keep pushing. And rest. Okay, last exercise. We're gonna be doing inner thigh flutter kicks. So lay down. Heels together, toes out. Point your toes, slightly bend the knees, and now flutter your kicks, flutter your legs, sorry. You can support yourself with your hands. Make sure your lower back is to the mat. Switch, 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 switch. It's not just the inner thighs, it's abs as well. So it's hard. We have to finish strong. Keep going. 10 seconds left. and rest. Well done everyone, good job on the inner thighs. Please repeat this routine or combine it with another one of my 10-minute Pilates burn series and you have a proper 20, 30, 40 or 50 minutes workout. Okay, keep crushing it. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'm gonna see you next time. Be good, feel good, and of course, stay active.